What if I tell you you can build Adobe Express add-on 10x faster using AI even if you have never coded an add-on before? So hi, I am Fardin and I have published 7 add-ons, and the tool that I use regularly while building my add-ons is Cursor with Adobe Express Developer MCP server. So if you are starting to build Adobe Express add-on for the first time, or you have already built one, this video is going to very helpful for you. So in next 5 minutes, I will show you how can you set up Cursor and Adobe Express Developer MCP server and how can you utilize it while building your add-ons. So first, let me quickly explain what Cursor and MCP servers are. So Cursor is an AR code editor. Think of it as VS Code with superpowers. It can generate code, complete entire functions, that to run agents, and debug code through a chat interface. And an MCP server or Model Context Protocol server, it is a way to connect AI tools with external data sources. And in our case, the Cursor connects with the Adobe Express add-on documentation through Adobe Express Developer MCP server. In this way, when you ask Cursor to help you build an add-on, it has access to the Adobe Express add-on API documentation in real time. This setup has increased my productivity at least by 10 times, and what used to take hours now only take minutes. And the best part, setting this up only takes you 2 minutes, and let me show you how. Step 1. Install Cursor. So go to the cursor.com and click on download. And once downloaded, you can install it just like any other application. And once installed, you will see an interface like this that look very similar to VS Code. Cursor is completely free to start with optional paid plans. If you want more features, then you can also go with the paid plan. Step 2. Make sure you have Node.js installed. So Adobe Express add-on require a Node.js version 18 or higher. So open your terminal and type Node-v. If you see a version 18 or higher, you are good to go. If not, then go to the nodejs.org and download Node.js according to your operating system by following the steps here. And once downloaded, you can verify again. Step 3. Set up the Adobe Express Developer MCP server. So click on the setting icon on the top right corner and then open Tools and MCP settings. Now click on Add Custom MCP button. So in this file, you have to add the Adobe Express Developer MCP server configuration. So go to the Adobe Express documentation and then open Dev MCP server and copy the configuration from here. So after copying, paste it here and save the file. Now again, when you go to the Tools and MCP setting, you should see the Adobe Express Developer MCP server. It's installed and enabled. Step 4. Set up an add-on template. So you can set up an add-on by following the steps in Adobe Express add-on documentation, or you can go to this GitHub repository and you can either clone it or download zip file. So once you have the template, open it in Cursor. Now let's start the development server. So open the terminal and then npm install to download the dependencies. So dependencies are downloading. And once the dependencies are installed, then run npm run start. Perfect. So now our development server is ready. Step 5. Connect your add-on with Adobe Express. So go to the Adobe Express and make sure you are logged in. Now go to the add-ons tab. Then go to your add-ons and enable the add-on development setting here if it is already not enabled. Now click on add-on testing. Check this check mark and click on connect. Now open your add-on. There it is. Now your add-on is completely connected with Adobe Express. You can also test your add-on here. It is working absolutely fine. Now let's see the MCP server in action. So currently our add-on just add random steps in the design. So let's add a new feature using Adobe Express Developer MCP server in Cursor. So open Cursor chat by pressing Command L or Control L for Windows and describe what feature you want in the chat. So I want a feature that allows users to upload image directly in the design. So I have written a prompt. I have choose agent mode and a coding model. So press enter. As you can see that it is generating code for us by using the exact API from the Adobe Express documentation. So Cursor has generated code for us. We can also review the changes. For now, let's accept the changes and now let's test this in Adobe Express itself. So go to the Adobe Express again, and as you can see it has added an image upload field. So let's test it. And boom, so you can see that it is working as we described in the prompt. Let's recap what we just did. Install Cursor from cursor.com, install Node.js, set up Adobe Express Developer MCP server in Cursor, set up an add-on template, and build any feature using AI in minutes. Now you can set up your own AI-powered development environment and start building add-on faster like never before. If you are building an add-on or have already published one, I would love to hear about it. You can find my contact info here or in the description below. Reach out to me on Twitter, LinkedIn or email. I am always happy to help other developers in Express ecosystem. Thank you for watching and keep building add-ons.